Short-term goals, long-term vision, the power of mutual funds. Mutual funds are an excellent way to achieve your financial goals. Whether it's a new car, a dream vacation, or your child's education, mutual funds can help you get there. Short-term mutual funds, in particular, are ideal for goals you want to achieve in the near future. These funds invest in short-term debt securities, which offer relatively stable returns. This makes them a relatively safe investment option, especially compared to long-term funds that invest in stocks. Short-term mutual funds also offer high liquidity, which means you can easily access your money when you need it. Navigating the mutual fund maze. Why choose short-term options? With so many mutual fund options available, choosing the right one can feel overwhelming. However, understanding your investment horizon and risk tolerance can simplify this process. If your goal is within a few months to a year, short-term mutual funds are your best bet. Short-term mutual funds are designed to provide moderate returns with minimal volatility. Unlike long-term funds that fluctuate with the stock market, short-term funds offer more stability and predictability. This makes them ideal for conservative investors or those new to the world of investing. SBI Magnum Ultra Short Duration Fund, your financial safety net. SBI Magnum Ultra Short Duration Fund is a leading contender in the short-term mutual fund category. This fund invests in a diversified portfolio of debt instruments with very short maturities. This strategy minimizes interest rate risk and ensures your capital is well protected. The fund has a proven track record of generating consistent returns, making it a reliable choice for risk-averse investors. Its low expense ratio also ensures that a larger portion of your investment is working towards your financial goals. HDFC Liquid Fund. Dive into liquidity and stability. Another excellent option for short-term goals is the HDFC Liquid Fund. This fund invests primarily in highly liquid money market instruments such as treasury bills and commercial papers. This focus on liquidity ensures that you can withdraw your money quickly and efficiently whenever the need arises. The HDFC Liquid Fund is known for its stability and consistent performance, making it an ideal parking ground for your surplus funds. Section 5. Conservative Investing. Prioritizing safety and returns. Conservative investors prioritize the safety of their capital above all else. They prefer investments with minimal risk and predictable returns. This is where short-term mutual funds truly shine. Short-term funds offer a balanced approach, providing a reasonable return while safeguarding your investment. They are a suitable option for individuals nearing retirement, those saving for a down payment, or anyone seeking a secure investment avenue. Section 6. Lower risk, higher rewards. The beauty of short-term mutual funds. While short-term mutual funds may not offer the same high returns as their long-term counterparts, they come with significantly lower risk. This makes them a wise choice for individuals with a low-risk appetite. Short-term funds provide a level of stability that is essential for achieving short-term goals. They allow you to grow your savings without exposing your capital to the volatility of the stock market. Section 7. Unlocking liquidity. Accessing your funds when you need them most. Liquidity is crucial when investing for short-term goals. You need access to your funds quickly and easily when the time comes to utilize your savings. Short-term mutual funds excel in this regard. With their short maturity periods and focus on liquid assets, these funds provide unmatched flexibility. You can redeem your units at any time and receive your funds within a short turnaround time. Section 8. Claim your 21,000 rupee reward. A token of appreciation. As a token of appreciation for your trust and interest in our financial guidance, we are thrilled to offer you a chance to win a 21,000 rupee reward. This is our way of saying thank you for choosing us as your trusted financial partner. To participate, simply open a Demat account using the link provided below and make your first investment in either SBI Magnum Ultra Short Duration Fund or HDFC Liquid Fund. You will then be automatically entered into a lucky draw to win the grand prize. Section 9. 10 free financial calculators, empowering your investment journey. To further empower your investment journey, we're offering 10 free financial calculators to all readers. These calculators will help you make informed financial decisions and achieve your financial goals faster. To claim your free calculators, simply take a screenshot of this article while reading it and send it to us on WhatsApp at the provided number. We will then send you a link to download the calculators absolutely free. Section 10. Your financial journey starts today. Take the first step. Investing in mutual funds can seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be. With the right information and guidance, you can make informed decisions and secure your financial future. Whether you choose SBI Magnum Ultra Short Duration Fund, HDFC Liquid Fund, or any other suitable option, remember to align your investments with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Start your investment journey today and watch your money grow.